Recently, I've written an article which talks about, is breaking the fixed deposit to buy a house a wise financial decision? So suppose there is a person who has let's say 1 crore rupees in his bank as a fixed deposit, and the person wants to buy a house as well, and that house, let's say, is costing him around 1 crore. So the first temptation that will come to mind, that uh, okay, shall I buy this house by breaking the FD? So will it be a right decision that the person, instead of taking a home loan, whether he should go ahead and break the FD and buy the house from his FD savings? So whether this is going to be a right financial decision or not. So recently I saw a YouTube video which talks about how breaking the FD to buy the house uh, is not a financially good decision. So I found this YouTube video interesting, and hence I thought, why not code a calculator which can prove the point that the YouTube video was proposing. So in this article, I have coded that calculator for you. Anyone can go and use it. Uh, what this calculator does, I will explain it to you very briefly. Suppose there is a person who has a fixed deposit of say 1 crore in his bank account, and the person wants to buy a house which is again uh, costing him around 1 crore. So the, as I said, the temptation will be to break the FD and use this saving to buy the house. So is this a good financial decision? This is what this calculator will do. So let's see other details. The fixed deposit is offering an interest rate of 6.5% per annum. uh, Parallelly, the home loan is charging a 9% per annum interest. So this is again another factor which generally tells us that because home loan is costing higher interest, so it is better to buy the home using our savings. But is this the correct conclusion we are making from this? The third parameter that we have to see here is the tenure. Suppose the fixed deposit is parked for 20 years, though there is no 20 years fixed deposit available. But just for an example, suppose there is a 1 crore fixed deposit earning you 6.5% per annum return is there under lock for next 20 years. And again, parallelly, there is a home loan with a principal loan amount of 1 crore rupees, interest rate again 9%, and the tenure is, let's say, 20 years. So out of these two options, which option is better for us? So just uh, jot down these numbers in the calculator and press this calculate button. As soon as you press the calculate button, you will see that a new field is populated, where the loan EMI for the home loan will be around 89,972 rupees, which comes out to be, in 20 years, the total amount that will be paid on the home loan will be around 2.15 crores. Parallelly, the fixed deposit, which is earning only a 6.5% per annum return, will become 3.5 crores in 20 years. So you can see, on home loan, though its interest rate was 9% per annum, you are paying only 2.15 crores in 20 years. But fixed deposit, which is giving you only 6.5% return, is garnering around 3.52 crores in 20 years. So looking at these two numbers, it becomes very clear that we should not break the fixed deposit to buy a home loan. Instead, keep the fixed deposit as it is, buy the home using a home loan, and at the end of the 20 years, what you will have, as this example says, at the end of the 20th year, not only you will have the home in your name, but also an additional amount of around 1.3 crore rupees in your savings. And how this has happened? Just because you have decided not to break your FD and buy your home on a home loan. Moreover, remember the home loan can also save you income tax. If you want to know more details on this topic, please read this whole article. It will give you a new perspective about the home loan and the fixed deposit balance. Thank you very much.